Are you ready for an exciting NFL wildcard game with a fun Nickelodeon twist? The NFL and Nickelodeon have teamed up to bring the game to fans with special, kid-friendly features, animated elements, and exclusive content. Here's your step-by-step guide on how to watch the Nickelodeon broadcast of the NFL wildcard game. Step 1. Make sure you have access to Nickelodeon. The Nickelodeon broadcast of the NFL wildcard game is available on the channel itself, so ensure you have access to Nickelodeon through your cable or streaming service. Check if your cable provider offers Nickelodeon, or if you have access to streaming platforms like Paramount+, Nickelodeon's parent network, YouTube TV, Hulu Live TV, or others that include Nickelodeon in their package. Step 2. Set the right date and time. The NFL wildcard game on Nickelodeon typically takes place on a specific date and time, so make sure you know when to tune in. Check the official NFL schedule for the exact time of the game, as it may vary depending on your location and network broadcasts. Step 3. Use streaming services or cable for access. If you have cable, simply tune in to the Nickelodeon channel on your cable package. If you're streaming, open the streaming platform that includes Nickelodeon, such as Paramount+, Hulu Live TV, YouTube TV, or Sling TV, and navigate to the channel to find the game. Step 4. Enjoy the kid-friendly features. The Nickelodeon broadcast offers a more colorful, fun, and engaging experience, complete with animated overlays, slime effects, and kid-centric commentary. This makes it a perfect choice for younger fans or families who want to enjoy the game in a new, interactive way. Step 5. Follow the game with exclusive content. Nickelodeon brings in fun, behind-the-scenes features, special interviews, and interactive content that isn't available on traditional broadcasts. Be ready for surprise appearances, fun graphics, and more. Step 6. Share the experience. Share your experience on social media using hashtags like #NFLonNickelodeon or #NickWildcard to join the conversation with other fans watching the game. Double-check the exact broadcast time for the wildcard game to make sure you don't miss the action. Be ready for the unique Nickelodeon spin on NFL play-by-play commentary that's fun for the whole family. Now, you're all set to enjoy an unforgettable NFL wildcard game experience with a Nickelodeon twist. Enjoy the game and have fun.